got another lock from No Trick Pony Lockpicking. I'll link his channel into the comments below. Is this Master Pro Series 63? I assume 6327. He just gave it to me together with this small Master number 1 here, just to have some fun with it, and said, I don't have the key, but as we all know, we don't need no stinking key. So, let's have a look if I will be able to pick this Master Pro Series. I did manage to pick it a few times. Really nice pick. It's full of spools, so I can give him that. This was pin number 2, gave me a small click. Let's try to attack it from the bottom. No, okay, this is pin number 2. Now pin number 1 gave me some counter rotation, and he is now set. Pin number 4? I think 4. Maybe that was a little bit too much. Pin number 3 again. I think he is overset. Oh, okay. We got it open. So that was the Master Pro Series lock. Let's see. Oh, an Allen key. Well, let's see. I'm curious to see, but I'm pretty sure there are only spools inside. Let's see what's inside. Be right back. So I need to be careful now not to screw it up, because I don't have the key. So I will push this that way, and I've already screwed it a little bit. Okay, it's actually only 2 pins, so let me very careful dump these 2 pins, or at least one by one. Tweezers. As I can see, this is pin number 1 and 2. They're all both spools. So pin number 2 is number 1 is a spool. Pin number 2 is also a spool. Come on, spool. Either in or out. Okay. You stay out. Fine. Okay. So let's make it a little bit more comfortable for. Okay, and the springs are not powerful at all, they're just barely pushing the pins out of the shear line. So pin number 1, 2, 3 are spools. I assume number 4 will be also a spool, yes. And number 5 should be a standard. Correct. And there is also a number, okay, there's also number 6. Okay, that's a nice surprise. So this Pro Series has actually a 6, it's actually a 6 spinner. Great. And it was also a spool. Standard, 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 let me guess, standard as well. Okay. That's the Master Pro Series. Nothing special, some spools and some standard pins. Still, pleasantly surprised that all the chambers are populated. Good. Guys, thanks for watching. Keep it legal. See you.